Let's go over the number of coronavirus cases here in Florida. The Department of Health is reporting there are 30,174 cases of COVID-19. That's over 1,300 more people since yesterday, a big jump on those numbers. Hillsborough County makes up 1,020 of the total number. 1,012 people have died here in Florida. And we see the number of cases go up as more testing becomes available. The University of South Florida has teamed up with Hillsborough County to offer people testing in several schools. Those who are already have an appointment will be swabbed by USF health nurses and providers. This is the latest effort in the country to make COVID-19 testing as convenient as possible for those who need it. Testing is free and insurance is not required. As with all COVID-19 testing, you have to be pre-screened to attend the community testing site. You can call the number right there on your screen. The call center is open weekdays from 8 a.m. until 5.